can I mix the expanded clay for aquaponics and river rock in the same system for your grow bed? I don't know, can you? Watch the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm putting videos up every couple of days, so make sure that you hit subscribe so you can get all of them. I'm so excited. And okay, well I kind of can hide it if I tried hard. So I've got we're talking about my grow bed at the moment. So obviously it's been made, fiberglassed, washed out, tested it with some tester fish, which my turtles then enjoyed greatly, so they were very happy. And I've then put a layer of gravel down, and it's just small river rock, and it was very cheap, so that worked out hugely well for me. Why I've done that, one, because the expanded clay is so expensive, but two, it helps to give the roots just that little bit of extra stability. So when the roots get down there, they'll get that extra bit of stability in it. This rock will eventually end up being completely mixed with the expanded clay. When I pull roots out and pull plants out, this will come up with it, and that happens, and I'm not fussed about that. I actually like the look of river rock. But you see, the river rock has a lower surface area than your expanded clay. The expanded clay is where our main filter is, so that's why we want to have a lot of the expanded clay. I've got about 5 centimeters worth of this gravel, and I'm going to be having the 25 centimeters of the expanded clay. So lots of filter, which is exactly what we want. So I'm in the process of going through. I've got a heap of bags. I got it all secondhand. I've washed a lot of it, and I need to finish washing the rest. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm having a chilled out day of sitting here cleaning. In a way that doesn't sound so great, but in another way that's super exciting, because that means as soon as I've got that in, I can then add the plumbing onto that overflow valve over there, and that piping from the grow bed here, it's going to be fixed up today too. So as soon as I've got enough expanded clay in here, I'll be filling it up with water and letting it soak and sink in. Because this is, and we'll do another video, but very quickly, because this is so light and porous, you actually need to let it sit in the water for a while for it to absorb all of that water. And then after that, you can turn it on and get it cycling, and it'll be fine because it'll be filled up with water and it'll be heavy and sit still. So, but we'll cover that a bit later, because I actually want to show you what I mean by that. So I can tell you, but sometimes telling you is just different to seeing it. So Candy is a very happy chappy today. It's, you know, the final stages, and it's that impatient but needing to make sure that you're doing it right thing. Because the last thing I want to do is put a whole heap of clay in there that isn't clean. So I'm excited, and that's what I'm doing, and it is a very grey day, so I don't mind if it rains, because that means it's just going to fill it up with water. So it doesn't bother me. All good. Sorry to interrupt. Look, to really boost your aquaponics learning, jump on over to my website for some free online training, and it's really structured, and it's going to help you get a really good grasp of how this works, rather than trying to pick it bits and pieces everywhere. Let's get the foundations happening, okay? So some free online training at www.theaquaponicslady.com. Jump on over and get your free training.